Decorative contact lenses can be dangerous to the eyes when they're not fitted properly by an eye care specialist. The danger is people can go online and order these decorative contact lenses without a prescription, and there's no quality control, and they're not fitted specifically to that person's eyes. If they're not fitted properly, they can be a cause of a serious eye infection. So we always recommend that with patients interested in those types of contact lenses that they come in and be measured and fitted for those. Well, the contact lenses we have here, they're sterilized and in a sterile type of solution, and they have an expiration date. So you know that they're safe to use based on, if they're within the expiration date and in the sterile solution. We don't know out there with lenses that people are getting off the internet without prescriptions, if they are produced in the same manner, if they have expiration dates and what kind of solution they're held in, if that's sterile and not contaminated. So we have no idea what people are putting into their eyes. So when we fit patients in contact lenses, besides of course checking their vision, doing the proper measurements as Julie mentioned, then we spend time with them, training them how to do insertion and removal, and then proper cleaning of the lenses to prevent infection. So that's all part of our contact lens fitting.